Let's face it, AI is everywhere. But are you actually using it to solve real problems? Most companies get lost in the hype, chasing shiny objects instead of real results. Endless workshops, hundreds of use cases, PowerPoint overload. Sound familiar? There is a better way. From my experience implementing AI thus far, most companies take the boil the ocean approach. Let's quickly visit a typical AI implementation disaster. Endless innovation workshops, generate hundreds of possible use cases, create the pretty PowerPoint slides, pick projects that sound cool, and finally, we watch them die a slow, painful death. So why are these types of projects doomed? Because they start with the technology, not the problem. The solution? Process mapping. It's a simple technique that reveals where AI can actually make a difference in under 3 hours. So instead of asking, what can I do? We start with, where are our biggest bottlenecks? Let's look at how do we start a mapping process for AI. 1. Map 2 to 3 key business flows. 2. Outline 4 to 6 steps per flow. 3rd, identify pain points such as repetitiveness, time wastes, errors, and bottlenecks. Here is a simple 3-step process. 1. Start by mapping 2 to 3 key business flows you're responsible for. Think about the core activities that drive results. For each flow, outline 4 to 6 critical steps. Don't get bogged down in the detail. High level is the key. Now, the crucial part. Mark the specific tasks where things go wrong. Where do people waste time, make mistakes, or get stuck? Where are the bottlenecks that are costing you money? As an example, I'm going to visit the steps for invoice processing. So let's say that you're responsible for invoice processing. The flow might be receive invoice, manual data entry, verification, approval, payment, and filing. It's a whole bunch of steps. So where are the pain points? Manual data entry is slow and error-prone. Verification is time-consuming and requires chasing down information. Let's take this pain point to an AI-assisted solution. And we start by an AI-powered data extraction for manual data entry. Secondly, an AI-driven anomaly detection for verification. And suddenly, your AI strategy is clear. AI-powered data extraction to automate entry, and AI-driven anomaly detection to speed up verification. And guess what? You're not actually doing AI anymore. You're fixing a broken process with the right tool. And the final output, your team is now being more productive, happier, and you'll be able to increase your ROI in no time. If you'd like to find out more, check out the link below. Until next time, bye.